Okay, we're getting ready to go on a cruise here, and we gotta get our house ready because we got Airbnb people staying here. This is what the house looks like. It's sort of a mess. There's stuff everywhere. There's, everything needs to be cleaned. It's a mess. The kids' room, our room. It's really looking good. We are just mess makers, and it is a mess. Okay, in here, look at this floor. It is disgusting. Disgusting. Look at that grossness. We are gonna need some cleaning here. And even in this room. This one's the easiest, but still. Stuff everywhere. Okay, so this is the extent of this room. Jet just peed on the bed, so we gotta pull it apart. But we're cleaning it up. This is where we're starting. Get all toys out of room. Okay, I found a caramel melted in the corner here on the side of the bed. So I gotta get that out. So the first thing is we gotta get the main stuff from the behind the bed, because this is where people look. They do look back here and say, oh, look at this. This has never been washed. Okay, we got underneath the bed. Now we're just gonna dust this whole thing off. We got a lot of stuff on the floor here. We're just trying to get it dust free so that when people do that, they don't get that little bit of dust on there. We're gonna wipe out every drawer, make them clean. We're getting closer. We're almost out of the room. We just gotta get that stuff, that stuff, that stuff. So before the house gets clean, the house gets dirty. Look at this. This is going on. We're getting closer in this room. We have removed stuff from it, and we just have to empty the stuff out of the dresser drawers. And then this is still what's happening here. We got a big mess. Okay, so we're ready to make the beds. We got the next layer here and the next layer there. Okay, the room looks like new again. Back to normal. We have de-childed the room. And then inside here, we left paddleboard, 2 paddleboards. We left them 2 water vests, 2 blankets, just in case it gets cold. And that room can be locked. Okay, so today we're gonna clean this room out. We already moved most of the stuff to the back room that was all over this room. So we're moving this direction so that the mess goes out the back door. So what we're doing is we're gonna clean up everything behind the couches underneath here and get all the toys out of here and clean the windows and dust everything. We did the baseboards. We mopped the floor, cleaned the fan, cleaned the top of the TV, cleaned the windowsill, all the baseboards, and now we're putting these couches back into place so that it can be nice and clean for our guests. Okay, we're on to the next room. I've already started. I'm just getting the dust out from under the bed. As you can see, we've had to reconstruct this bed a couple of times because we bought it on Amazon and it was really made shittily. So, okay, so this room has been transformed. It's back to normal. Looking good. Next is the bathroom. I gotta caulk the toilet because I took it out yesterday and fixed it. I have to replace this because it's a little dirty at the bottom. We're gonna clean everything top to bottom. Okay, so we gotta Windex these tiles so that we can make them pretty again with no streaks. Okay, we're making our way through. We Windexed the whole wall, we scrubbed the thing, polished the tub. We're working on mirrors, working our way down. We're gonna clean that fan out. So the bathroom's done next. We got everything. Oh, I forgot the fan. So the bathroom's done now. We got all those tiles, we shined everything. We did all of this. We even cleaned the fan. Everything's looking nice. This room is done. We're making some progress here. We're making our way into the kitchen, pushing back. Look, we're starting high. And we're gonna push into that room, everything onto the deck, and then out the back door. So we're trying to get everything out of the kitchen right now. And living room, dining room, so that we can finish this off. Okay, so we finally finished. The backyard is done. And the house is ready. Alexa, off.
Figured it's worth.
Okay, so the house is fully clean. Everything's looking good. We'll get this room. This room, we scrubbed the floors all the way. It's white, so you have to get everything out. So everything's done and we're ready to go. We got this room. I just got the bug stuff I'm gonna spray and we're done.